What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I will be doing the gaming review of Huawei P Smart, and I have already posted the unboxing of this smartphone. And let me tell you a few of the specifications. It is running on Kirin 659 processor and it is having 3 GB of RAM. And let's run this application, you can see, and let us know the level of the battery. And you can see it is at 38% and the temperature of the device is 32 Celsius. So now let's move to our first game, which is the Modern Combat 5, and right now we are playing this game, and you can see this game is right now going great. And I am just doing the gaming review by playing just 3 games. Usually I play 6 games, so I am just doing a smaller version of my gaming review. Usually I post a video of 15 to 20 minutes, 15 minutes almost, and now I am just posting a video of 8 to 9 minutes to make it shorter. So you can see right now this game is going great. The frame rate, everything is just awesome, and the graphics are actually very good. So we are playing this game, and everything will be tested later on. We will also test the temperature of the device and how much the battery has been drained by playing this game for 2 to 3 minutes. It will be tested later on. So right now let's finish this gameplay, and you can see that clearly it shows that everything is just moving awesome. The frame rate is actually very great. Everything is just going smooth and perfect. I am not feeling any kind of lag while playing this game. So let this gameplay finish, and after that we will be having a look at the battery level and the temperature of the device. As this gameplay has ended, now let's check out the temperature and level of the battery, and you can see the temperature is at 35 Celsius and the level of the battery is 36%. Only 2% of the battery is dropped. And now let's move to our next game, which is the Asphalt 8, and I will be playing this game to check out the performance of this device. Actually, I'm very much interested for playing this game onto this device, as I have tested this game onto many mid-range devices and the performance was not good for this game. Actually, this game has intense graphics, so many mid-range devices fail to play this game very well, but I think this game right now is going good on this device. You can see it is going perfect. Everything is just smooth. It's running great. It's very amazing to see the performance of this game on this device, that it is doing great. Actually, when I tested it on Mate 10 Lite, it was giving us some kind of lag while playing that game, and many users are saying that when you play this game 2 or 3 times onto the Mate 10 Lite and many other latest mid-range devices, this game starts playing very well. So but right now I am just playing it for the very first time and it is doing great. So you can see yourself that frame rate and graphics, everything is just smooth and perfect. So let this gameplay finish, and after that we will be having a look at the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. So guys, Asphalt 8 has also ended. Now let's check out its temperature and level of the battery, and you can see the temperature is 36 Celsius and the level of the battery is 34 Celsius. So there is only drop of 2% of the battery, and temperature is actually very close to the initial temperature, and it has only increased 4%. And now we are on to the final game, which is Need for Speed No Limits, and it will be a short gameplay, and after that we will be analyzing the final results, that how much the battery is drained for playing 3 games. Actually these were 3 heavier games. Temperature of the device has not increased to a very great limit. It is only a minor increase in temperature, and the device outside is also very cold. And right now we are playing the final game, and you can see this game is just about to start, and we are just playing this game onto this device, and you can see how beautifully this game is being played onto this device. Everything is just going great, smooth, perfect. Everything is just awesome. The graphics, everything about this game is just amazing. I am just amazed at how well this game is being handled by this device. Actually this processor is very great. It is 659 Kirin processor, which is the same processor used in the Huawei Honor 7X and the Mate 10 Lite, and right now the same processor is doing great for this device, which is actually cheaper than those 2 devices. So let this gameplay also end, and at the end we will be analyzing the results. So guys, this gameplay has also ended, and the temperature of the device is at 35 Celsius and the level of the battery is at 33 Celsius, which is very great to see about the device. So you can see right now I am not feeling any kind of hotness on the back of the device. So guys, this was the gaming review of the device, and you can see it has performed a lot better than many other devices. Actually I am amazed by the performance of this device, and the only drop is just 4% of the battery, and the temperature of the device has been kept in this range of 35 and 36. There is not a major increase in the temperature, and outside the physical body is not heating that much. Actually it is only slight increase in temperature on the outside. It was just about nothing. So that's it guys, this was the gaming review of the device, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.